Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload HD quality videos on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open TikTok, and then what you have to do is just simply tap on plus icon and try to record a video from here, then tap on next, and you can see here it's not showing here any HD quality or HD type. So you can see here, so to fix this, what you have to do is just simply go back, and then what you have to do is just simply make sure that you have an updated version of TikTok. It's showing here open. If it's showing here update, then you have to update your TikTok, then go back, and then let me tell you that you have to clear cache or clear data of TikTok, because it stored more data on TikTok. That's why you can't be able to post video with HD quality. So you have to clear cache or clear storage. You have to tap on storage and cache, then clear cache and clear storage from here, then go back and open TikTok again. And then let me tell you that what you have to do is just simply tap on your profile, and then tap on three lines here, and then what you have to do is just simply tap on setting of privacy, and then scroll it down, and you can see here is the main reason. You can see here is the option of data saver. It's turned on. So you can see here, so reduce your data consumption when using cellular data. Videos may be at lower resolution or take longer to load. This won't apply when you are on Wi-Fi. Okay guys, so you have to turn the toggle off for this. If this toggle is off, then you will be able to post videos on TikTok with HD quality. So you can write here, you can see guys, you can write from here. This toggle is on, so you have to turn it off. So you can write from here, reduce your data consumption by using cellular data. Videos may be at lower resolution or take longer to load. So you have to turn the toggle off for this, and you will be able to post videos with HD qualities. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.